In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Capital One mobile app with this easy step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reinstalling it on a new device, this guide will make the process smooth and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon that's usually found on your home screen. For those with Android devices, you'll want to locate the Google Play Store. You can find these apps by looking for the distinctive blue A icon for Apple or the colorful triangle icon for Google. Once you're there, you're ready for the next step. In the App Store, you'll see a search bar typically at the top of the screen. Tap on it to activate your keyboard and type in Capital One Mobile App. Make sure you're spelling it correctly, as this will ensure you get the right app, avoiding any possible mix-ups with similarly named applications. Once the search results pop up, look for the official Capital One app. You can usually recognize it by its distinctive logo, a white one within a red circle. When you find it, go ahead and tap on it to open detailed app information, which will lead us to the final step. Now that you've found the Capital One mobile app, you should see an option to install or download depending on your device. On iPhones, it will say Get with a cloud icon, and on Android, you'll see Install. Tap on it, and the download will begin. This might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Your device might ask for a password, fingerprint, or Face ID for confirmation, so make sure you have those ready. Once downloaded, the app will be installed automatically on your device. You can find the app icon on your home screen, and tapping it will open the app, ready for you to log in or set up your account if you're a new user. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to downloading the Capital One mobile app. If you've kept up with us, you should now have the app successfully installed on your phone, ready to explore all the banking features it offers. Whether it's managing your accounts, checking your balance, or making payments, your banking experience should now be at your fingertips. Remember, if you run into any issues, the Capital One support team is always there to help. Happy banking, and thanks for watching.